Hi team, it's Sister Johnson here. I am creating this Instructor HOA and get on air to welcome you to week 3. And this week we will be discussing teams and performance appraisals. And both of these concepts are really important to the role of human resource management, especially performance appraisals, because it's a process an official process that helps employees become better workers, and it helps for everyone to be accountable for their work. Um, and I also wanted to kind of give you an overview of what you would be expected to be doing this week. A lot of you already have started on the work. Um, this week you'll be formally introduced to doohickeys, and you've probably read that doohickeys is a case study. It's actually a business with a lot of human resource problems. And so the 4 papers that you'll be writing this semester will be helping doohickeys to kind of solve some of these human resource problems. And throughout this semester, the content that you learn, you'll be using those concepts to actually create your paper, as well as any research that you find that's out there on the internet. Um, this week, today, you probably already submitted your your human resource professional's name that you'll be interviewing, and that is on October the 2nd, the summary of your interview and the results that you found from the interview. And a lot of students really enjoyed this assignment, and I really do look forward to reading your responses. And you'll also be meeting with your group for the first time this week using Hangouts on Air, and I've created a place on the discussion board, and you'll see that our discussion board is broken into like week 1, 2, and 3, and then you just post your Google Hangout for that particular week under the specific week. And if you have any questions about creating the Hangouts on Air, just let me know. I did send out some instructions, but if you kind of need more help with following that, let me know, and I'll kind of walk you through it. And then we won't meet as a class again until next week, and I'll send out the meeting invite maybe about 15 minutes before we meet. And I did want to actually give you some information about disability services. All instructors are responsible for telling students about disability services. If there are some accommodations that you think you might need to help you along in this class, we do help students with disabilities. Just reach out to Disability Services. The phone number is 208-496-9210, and then they'll walk you through the steps on applying for any accommodations that you need, and then you'll reach out to me with your documentation, then I'll be able to help you out. I've helped several students in the past with any disability accommodations that they needed, and everything turned out just fine. It's a really simple process, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm here to help you. Disability Services is here to help you should you need any help in that area. Those are all the comments that I wanted to provide for you this week. A lot of other things are kind of pretty much self-explanatory as you look in the content for this week. Of course, you'll continue to have your self-assessments. Then you'll have some of you've already worked on your performance appraisal quiz. And I've been enjoying interacting with everyone through email and answering your questions. And I hope that everything is kind of making sense to you now that you're getting settled in your group. So again, reach out to me if you have any other questions. And I look forward to talking with you next week in the class meeting. Thank you. Bye.